Welcome, dear PUC second year, all my dear students. Yesterday class onwards, we discuss about the syllabus. Okay, there are 5 units are there. Then each unit having 3, 4, like total 16 topics, and we discuss again unit wise mark also. Then little bit theory 70 marks and practical concept how marks are distributed. That is also that concept also we completed in the first class. Okay, yesterday previous class only. So today we started topic number 1 or chapter number 1, that is reproduction in. We have discussed topic number 1, that is reproduction in organism. Okay, so here first of all we focus our surrounding nature, surrounding area, surrounding environment, each and every organism. Some organisms are unicellular. Unicellular means having only one cell. Okay, all function made by only single cell. That cell organism we call as a unicellular. Some organisms are a multicellular. Multicellular means more than one cells are present in the organism. More than one cell. Okay, so here in surrounding area we know some organism are unicellular also, some organism multicellular also. So each and every organism can live, each and every, it was a uni or multi, they can live only for certain period. They can live only for certain period. Certain period of a time. They can live only certain period of time. They can live, and that period we called as that period we called as a lifespan. Okay, means lifespan is nothing but period from birth to natural death. Okay, the period from birth to natural death, that phenomena, that process we called as a lifespan. And this lifespan have each and every organism that having a particular certain period. Of in that period only they have to survive their birth, their natural growth also occurs, and automatically naturally death also occurs. So some examples we discuss here. One example we take here like that organism. Some examples we discuss here, organism and their lifespan. Okay, so here first example, that is horse. Horse having 50 years lifespan. Then come to the next, fruit fly. Fruit fly having lifespan is only 1 month. Then come to the elephant. It's having 75 years. Then come to the dog, that having 25 years lifespan. Then rose plant having a 10 years. So we can see here, you can saw here lot of differences are there. Each and every organisms are present, like a horse, fruit fly, elephant, dog, rose, and different types of lifespan. So here after this complete here lifespan event, that organism, if unicellular or multicellular, they live only certain period, and that period we call as a lifespan. So that lifespan means nothing but the period from birth to natural death. That process we called as a lifespan. Here we discuss about some examples also. Then come to the organism reproduction. So first of all we know what is exact meaning of reproduction. Okay, what is the exact meaning of reproduction? That is very important. Okay, so it is a one biological process. It is a one biological process. Okay, so here in this biological process, in which organism gives rise to young ones. Okay, young ones. Another name of young ones we called as a offsprings also. Young ones, or we called as a offsprings also. And that offsprings similar to itself, similar to their or parents. Okay, similar to itself. Again this offsprings on young ones, there we call this the biological process organism produce or gives rise to young ones similar to that organism or itself only. Okay, so this organism, again their cycle was started, and that cycle going to birth, then growth, and last one is a natural death. Okay, so this cycle was continued. The cycle was, this process was continued likely. Again birth, growth, and death. Reproduction having some functions. We discuss about function of a reproduction. First function is a continuity of species. It is a continuity of species. Okay. Continuity of species. Second is function of reproduction, that is replacement of individual. Replacement of individual. Replacement of individuals. Next, another one, it helps to exist life. It helps to exist life. Then main important functions, it introduces variations of organism. It will introduce variations of a organism in the environment, or variations in organism. So these are the main functions of reproduction. This reproduction definition important for 1 mark. Lifespan definition important for 1 mark. Then function of reproduction important for 2 mark. Widely they ask in the theory question paper, that is a definition of reproduction and definition of lifespan for each 1 mark. Okay, so this reproduction having mainly 2 types. This reproduction having mainly 2 types. One type we called as a asexual, and another one type we called as a second type of reproduction we called as a sexual reproduction. These 2 types we discuss next class or next section. Thank you, dear students.